know it sort of looks like a ladybug.
So then how did you get to here from there?
I got to here I tried a lot of times, and then this was my last ant.
Oh, okay.
So did you learn things between this time and this time?
Yes.
Yeah, what did you learn that made you change it from there?
Because this was just our first try. They didn't show us here. We just tried our best, and I tried my best, and I made it look a little bit like a ladybug.
Oh, okay. Did you learn a lot about the different parts of the ant so that you knew that you needed to draw like the three parts?
How many patas does that one have?
Yeah, but how many
that
does
right?
it really have?
And it's supposed to have.
Seis patas.
Right.
Mommy.
Oh, yes.
Flesh.
Okay.
And this one, what about its mouth? It's different, right?
Yeah, and the nose and the eyes.
Yeah.
And
The antennae are
the
different.
antennas.
Which one looks more like a real ant? Right.
Wow, looks like you learned a lot.
I did.
Did you write all these labels yourself? Wow.
I like doing the twirly. I like twirlies.
The
Twirly S's.
I'm going to do a twirly here.
What are these colorful parts?
Those
what
are
they?
the eggs,
The eggs, okay.
larvas,
Uh-huh.
and pupas.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
So what
What
order does that go? What do they start as? What does the
They
ant start as?
start as this, and
Uh-huh.
she gets these out of her abdomen.
Mhm.
Ah. And what is
Which
the
is
torus?
an abdomen in English is belly,
Oh.
Oh, okay.
and cabeza is head,
Uh-huh.
and this thorax is
What does the thorax do?
Mom.
I don't really know that much
The
about
thorax
it.
doesn't do
It's
anything.
where your arms, the arms are hooked to it, right? The legs are all part of that part. It's sort of the mid part between the head and the abdomen,
Oh,
right?
and this is our thorax up here.
Right.
Oh, so it's like the chest,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, chest.
and then the patas?
Yeah, those are my legs and my arms.
And the ojos?
Those are eyes, Mom.
And what is the difference between how you drew the ojos in the first picture versus how you drew it in the final one?
Because this one is a line and not hooked to there, and this one is not a line and it's hooked there.
So it's like more on the sides?
Yeah.
And what are the mandibulas for?
Yes.
I don't know.
Tell us.
What do
they?
you
What
do?
It's biting.
They bite.
Oh.
Is it for eating?
Biting.
Biting. Okay.
And how's it different than the antennas?
The antennas,
Oh.
they smell
They
and they
smell.
see
Mhm.
and they taste.
Wow. So
You
they
do a
have
lot-
like the different senses.
Yeah, you do a lot of different things with the antennas.
Interesting.
And you feel with the antennas.
Mhm.
Do all ants lay eggs like that? Those are eggs, right?
No, only the queen ants.
Oh.
Oh.
And there's no king ants.
No king.
What other kind of ants are there?
Soldado.
And what are the soldados?
Forajera. Soldado. Guess. Okay. Pretend there's.
You have to
Come back over
see
here.
it here.
No, Violet, you have to stay back over
Okay.
here.
Come on.
See it.
Pretend there's a spider right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
It protects their house.
No, it protects the eggs and
eggs,
the queen.
The queen.
Oh.
Gotcha.
And the rest.
And what were the other kinds?
What was it? Yeah. What are the other kind of ants?
Forajera.
What is that one?
Oh, they bring the food.
What do they do?
They get food.
So they like go out and collect the food?
Okay. Yeah.
They bring it back.
And the In the enfermera.
Ah, what does the enfermera do?
Cuida las huevos, larvas, y pupas. This is the enfermera right here.
Wow, okay.
And
¿Cuál estás pensando?
si es una otra, hay un...
¿La que hace los túneles? ¿Cómo se llama esa?
La constructoras.
Ah, so what do the constructoras do?
They hacen los túneles.
Oh.
And Daddy, I'm doing it for Daddy in English.
Oh, okay.
They do the tunnels.
They do the tunnels. Oh, okay. Very
Cool. So, what are the difference between the eggs and the larva and the pupa?
This is when they're teeny tiny babies,
Mhm.
and this is when they're a little bit older,
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
and this is when they put it in a place, and a few enfermeras come to do this and open the pupa. And then out comes the baby. Then they bring it to somewhere.
So the enfermeras have to open the pupa?
Wow.
I didn't know that.
Cool.
Cool. And so here, this is a picture of you with a lab coat on. What did you do with that?
I was a scientist, and they took a picture of me.
Oh, okay.
You were a scientist?
Yes, Mommy.
Well, this looks like a very scientific drawing, right? You studied the
That's
ants,
too
you draw it?
little of an abdomen. It
Oh.
should be. This should be the abdomen, and this should be the thorax.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's interesting how no matter
wait.
how good you
I
get.
should have done the nodo aquí.
¿Qué es un nodo?
Voy a buscar un libro para que ya lo explique.
Okay.